Hello everyone, my name is Funny Krishna and this is day 8 of Git and GitHub Zero to Hero series. In this video, we will talk about a Git history. So whenever you want to quickly see all the commits in your project and understand your timeline, right? So we must understand this Git history part. Okay. So in this Git history video, we will talk about a few commands which helps you in the real time to understand what's happening on your project repository and all. So first, let's start with a simple command, a git log. So this is one command which can be used to view the full commit history, which can be useful to view the full commit history. So what exactly it contains is it contains the commit ID, who is the author, date, like the message, because for every commit the message is a mandatory, right? So here this git log helps you to identify what is the ID of the commit, author, and the date when it happened and all the things. Okay, a complete history. So already I opened the git bash. This is our git bash, and already I am in our repository, my first project, that is our repository. So let me type, let me increase the font size. Okay, let me type git log. See, it will display all the commits. So here on Friday, April 3rd at 1:47 p.m. So this is the author name, author email address, who did the commit, and this is the commit history. Sorry, this is the commit ID. Sorry for that. This is the commit ID. Like how many commits happen. And with this commit, what is the commit message? Moving files from working directory to commit area, right? And then let us see the very first thing. On April 3rd at 1:27, there was a commit. Press enter to see more. This is the end of the file. This is the first commit for file1.txt. And here is the second commit. All files moving from staging to commit area, commit message something. Press Q to exit from that particular history. And another command. There is another command similar to that, git log hyphen hyphen one line. Git log hyphen hyphen one line. What this command is, this is the compact view. This is the compact view of git log command. What does that mean by compact view? Or you can see the name called one line, right? What is the meaning of a one line? The complete information should be presented in a single line. So this command will give you a short and a clean view of commits. In general, in the real time, we use this command most of the time. Okay, let us see. So let me paste that command. Sorry. Okay, let me type git log hyphen hyphen one line. Means it simply can say, okay, it is going to show you the information in a single line. See, one, two, three, four, 5 lines. That doesn't mean a 5 lines. For each commit, a single line. Okay, let me explain. This is the oldest commit, the bottom one, and you can see this is the commit ID. But in the previous command, I showed you the commit ID is which is going to be a lengthy, right? So it is a short form. The first few characters of the commit ID will be visible in hyphen hyphen one line in the compact view. So this is the comment. So in this one line, you can see a short and a clean view of the commits with the commit ID and the commit message. And if you see the first one, the top one, this is the latest commit. And you can see head main, which means your repository is at this particular level, means we are at the latest level. There are no changes that has to be synced and all the things. Okay. Now there is another command, git log hyphen hyphen graph. Git log hyphen hyphen graph. Can you guess what might be this? It is a graph view, a visual history. It is going to be a visual history. Let us execute that. So which will gives you a graph of will gives you a graph, a view of your commit history. Okay, so git log hyphen hyphen graph. But here you don't see much difference. But in the real time, whenever there are branches, multiple branches, they were merged, then you can see that everything has a graph from where to where you got commit. Everything you can see in the graph format. And for the same git log graph, there is another one. Like let me show you. We type here hyphen hyphen one line space hyphen hyphen graph, then space hyphen hyphen all. This is a similar command, but it will shows your commit history in a visual format. Like let me show you so that you can get some clarity. This is the command git log hyphen hyphen one line hyphen hyphen graph hyphen hyphen all. Simple compact view. The earlier one is a detailed view. This is a compact view. Simple and short and simple. Okay. Then let me give you a simple thing. Git log hyphen hyphen one line, right? So you can see all the commits, but now I want to see some details about this particular commit. I want to know the details about this particular commit. Just copy the commit ID, then git show, then commit ID. Enter. So it will gives you the complete information about a specific commit. Let me show you. So this is the commit ID for which we are going to get the complete information. This is the full commit ID, author, author's email address, date when that commit was done, and this is the commit message. What is the commit message they entered during the commit? And then you can see the difference. You can see the changes with that commit. In that commit, what exactly happened is this line was removed from the file and these lines were added to the file and it was committed. So it shows the complete or detailed information about a specific commit like commit message, author, date, and what are the changes made. And what are the changes made. So this is about viewing the history, but viewing the about the changes, we will discuss that again. So what all we covered in this video? Git log, git log one line, git log graph, git log one line graph, and the other one git a show commit ID, right? Git show commit ID. What it is? Shows the complete information. What complete information? uh, it gives you the commit message, author, who is the author, date, when was it, and the changes made. What changes were made in that commit is available in this particular command. So now you know how to explore the commit history in Git, right? In the next video, we will go deeper and see how to view the exact changes inside each commit, right? Everything we will learn in the next video about viewing the changes. That's it for this video. Let's continue in the next video. Thank you, everyone.